Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix server fail to boot in Hytale. So all you need to do is go to the search bar here, click date and time settings, open it. Make sure that set time zone automatically is on and set time automatically is on. After that, go here to sync now and click sync now. After that, go here and search for view network connection. Go to Ethernet, right click on it, then click properties. Then from here search for protocol internet version 4, click on it, then click properties again. Then go here and click use the following DNS server address and click 8888 and here 8844. Then click OK, and this should fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.